Hey guys, we're Jeff and Jess with Two Moose Design, and today's video is sponsored by Dremel.
We're going to be showcasing their home solution tools today. So we're going to start with Dremel's new electric screwdriver. It comes with everything you need. It comes with extra bits, it comes with a bit extender, as well as a power cord. So this is the original model that we had, the Dremel Go, but it only went by pushing, and you could change the speed on the back, where this one now, they've upgraded it and they have the 6 torque speeds, as well as push to go. So they've made a bunch of improvements and really like it. What I really like about this tool specifically is its nice, small, compact design. It allows you to get into tight spaces easily. I really like the 6 torque speed on this new style. It allows you to not over-tighten the screws and to get the perfect depth every time. Overall, this is a great tool to keep in your home. If you pick one up, you'll find a ton of different uses for it.
Now onto the flashlight. It has a durable, rugged frame with an IP67 waterproof rating, 500 lumens, and this cool little fancy clip. It also has the same micro USB charging port, which is really nice because it's a pretty universal charging setup. Now to test this thing out at night, this first light is just a generic LED light. As you can see up close, it shines pretty good, but once you kind of stretch it out to some distance, it's pretty much useless. Now onto the Dremel flashlight. It is 500 lumens, and as you can see, if you focus it right, you can get a pretty wide light range, and if you focus it even tighter, you can shine it out up to 650 feet. Versus the last light, anything past a couple feet, it was just not that bright. The flashlight has an IP67 waterproof rating, so you can submerge it just over 3 feet for 30 minutes. Most likely you wouldn't submerge this light, but if you're out in the rain or anything like that, it would be just fine.
So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. We really love both of these new products. The new electric screwdriver is great, and it's got so many new advancements from the old version, and I really can't wait to use it all over in our house.
The same with the flashlight. It seems really well made. It's extremely bright, and being waterproof is a definite huge plus. So thank you for your support. Really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out our video. Make sure you swing over to Instagram, follow us over there for a daily post, along with subscribing on YouTube for more tool reviews and DIY projects.